Hello guys, welcome to my video. In this video, I will demonstrate step by step making a serious latte art with a tinny home espresso machines DeLonghi ECP 35.31. Okay, let's get started. Always use a fresh coffee to get a perfect espresso for your latte. Grind the coffee with the espresso settings or the fine setting. I need some small adjustment if I use a different type of bean. Coffee distribution is very important to make the good espresso and to avoid tunneling when we brew the espresso. I buy a separate temper for my porta because the original temper is only made from plastic. To make a very good espresso, we need a good temper in this case. This steel-made temper is very good for getting the perfect tamping pressure and flat surface of the coffee. Perfect flat tamping. Flash the hot water before brewing the espresso to get the perfect temperature of the water. We need to wait until the OK LED is lit before we brew the espresso. Perfect crema. Now is the time for milk steaming or milk frothing. So we prepare for the milk. We need to cool the water from the steam one before we do milk steaming. To get the perfect silky microfoam on our milk, we need to set the correct angle of the steam one. And I'll take out this original steam one, the Cappuccino automations like that. So that's the trick here, because the original steamer will make a lot of bubbles only. With this one we can really control our steam. Of course it's only one hole, so it will take a bit longer to get the perfect milk. We have to little bit patient for this process to maintain the steam one angle and get the perfect milk foam, silky milk foam for our latte. When the temperature is hot enough, it's around 60 degrees Celsius. Then we have to finish this milk frothing process. And don't forget to clean the tip of the steam one, so it will make it always clean. And this time I pour the tulip pattern. You need to have a little bit practice for doing this, but I'm sure I just want to show that with this small tinny DeLonghi machine we can do some beautiful art like this. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any question, just leave it on the comment line below. And see you on my next coffee video. Thank you. Bye.